This is Eve. She is a sweet little girl. She's a little bit smaller than some of the others are. It seems some of the females in this litter are just a little bit smaller. She has quite a bit of white on her chest. The feet are no white on the feet, but on her chest. Yeah, she is just an easygoing little girl. Likes to check everything out. Do you want to put her down?
Where's it called?